Hi guys, I'm Ashraf. Welcome back to my channel. Trust you all are holding up pretty well. I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to give you a training and a diet protocol for all those who are fasting in the holy month of Ramadan. Okay, I know it's pretty late to upload this video right now, but trust me, this routine will help you chase your goals and keep you fit and maintain your fitness goals as well. Make sure you watch this video till the end. If you haven't followed my Instagram or Facebook account, please do because all the announcement and interactive sessions I do it there. Before starting with the diet, I would like to tell you one thing. Please do not compare this Ramadan with intermittent fasting. Please do not do this. The second thing is, please do not utilize this as a fat loss period because during Ramadan you can't even drink water. We as humans, we need to keep ourselves hydrated. Implementing any training or a diet protocol, being hydrated is really important. All the nutrients reach vital organs and muscles through blood flow and water. In this time, thinking about fat loss is not a good idea. So people who couldn't do fat loss the other 11 months, what makes you think that you can do it in this month? So instead, you will lose out on muscle which you have built it over the years. So technically, you've got to implement the process in such a way that you lose out on fat and preserve muscle. So I'm going to give you some tips on this. So tip 1, aim for the muscle maintenance. So here you don't have to go into calorie deficit because the eating window, what we have is around 6 to 9 hours. So we have to consume all our nutrients in these couple of hours. In some countries, the fasting period is around 16 to 20 hours. So you cannot eat anything at this period of time. So the eating window becomes even more smaller at that point of time. Tip 2, postpone fat loss and fitness goal for 30 days. Because you don't want to harm or stress your body, you can do it the next month. Tip 3, split your training. For example, if you're working out 6 days in a week, make sure during this time you work out 3 days a week. Tip 4, balancing your meal is really important. Make sure you don't consume high calorie food. If you do, make sure you hit your macros as well. Tip 5, consume low sugar and low sodium meals so you don't feel thirsty throughout the day. Having curd, basil seeds or coconut water keeps you hydrated for the longer period of time. Now I'm going to give you a diet plan which is basically 3 major meals. First meal, morning as soon as you wake up for Sahari, you can consume oatmeal, roti with egg whites or any meat of your choice and 1 scoop of whey protein, and make sure you have 1 to 2 liters of water. If there are time when you break your fast, post sunset or dusk, you can consume oatmeals, white rice, white bread, chicken, eggs, banana and 1 scoop of whey protein and drink 1 liter of water. During workout, you can have BCAA with 1 liter of water. This helps you in electrolytes and muscle recovery. Post-workout, you can make a smoothie of whey protein, banana, egg whites, honey, peanut butter and almonds. The last meal is dinner. Make sure it's simple, not rich in sugar and salt. Do not consume high-calorie food. Try including salad, chicken and fish. That's all for now guys. Even I'm fasting. That was my Ramadan routine. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you like the video, share and subscribe the channel, and don't forget to follow my Instagram and Facebook account. The link has been given in the description below. And stay home, stay safe, and don't forget to lift.